Jack, what are you looking at?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus?
He's closed the door.
He closed the door.
Oh, Santa Claus, come out.
What are you talking about?
Santa Claus, come out.
Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but all the way over there. Oh, see that?
This is.
Ralph across the street has a big blow up, and Santa Claus opens the door. Right now he's at. Oh, he closed the door. There he goes inside. Where's Santa Claus?
Oh, Santa Claus, come out. Look at this, Santa Claus.
You made him come out?
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
He opened the door.
He opens the door.
Bye, Santa Claus.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Santa Claus.
Do you think
Come out.
you think he'll come out again?
Come out, Santa Claus. Come out. Look, I did it. I did it.
You did it. You're right, Jack. You did it.
Santa Claus, come out. He's closed the door. He's closed.
He closed the door. Oh, no.